dealing with the Msadce Library DLL error in ActiveX Data Objects Cursor Engine app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before we dive into the Msadce library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Msadce library, the Microsoft ADO data control extensions. It provides unmanaged localized routines for data cursor management and facilitates the localized data link between localized applications and database manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Because Msadce Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Msadce library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Msadce Library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes Msadce library-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with Msadce Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.